Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. Today's video is brought to you by HerGivenHair. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So I'm going to be showing you guys this gorgeous kinky blowout type wig. So I'm just showing you guys everything that came in the pack. So this is a very long wig. The hairline comes pre-plucked and the knots are bleached. You see the cap construction, 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps along with an adjustable elastic band. And you also get some lace in the back too. So I'm just gonna try it on before I do any manipulation so you guys can see what it looks like right out the pack. She is very long, she is very thick. These are the kinds of wigs you want to pull out for this time of year because you can handle it, okay? Because you can wear this wig during the summer. You could if you want to, but it's gonna pack the heat. So the hairline is pre-plucked, but I am gonna tweeze it just a little bit off camera, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. You see that movement with this wig? Already has movement and it's just right out the pack. So what I've done so far, I did not wash it. I'm wearing this right out the pack. All I did was I went through the hair with my Revlon blow dry brush just to kind of, you know, smooth it out a little bit. I tweezed the hairline and I used hot combs on the roots. So I initially started off with my curl wand, my Conair curl wand. I actually need another one because I think I need something a little bit better. So I just added a few curl wand curls. I love the way curl wand curls look on kinky straight textured hair. I think it's so beautiful. So I just started off by using some heat protectant and then I threw a few curl wand curls in the wig. And then I decided to switch to using FLEXI rods instead because I wanted to see what that would look like because I've never used FLEXI rods on a kinky straight wig before. So the materials that I used to do that, a lot of body mousse, and I use my FLEXI rods. A lot of companies send me FLEXI rods with the human hair wigs that I review, so I just use several packs of those. I don't know what size they are. I'll try to find something similar and put it in my Amazon storefront for you guys. So all the materials I'm going to be using for this wig will be in my Amazon storefront. I just did that. What I did was I put the styling foam on the length of the hair, and then I took the FLEXI rod and then twisted it, the tip of the hair all the way to the roots. And then I just kind of twisted both ends and then anchored it in place. And I did that all around the head. So I'm just going to let you guys watch that process. Okay. And while you guys are watching me, you know, twist this up and everything, I'm going to read the specs for you guys. So this is their kinky blowout textured lace front wig. It's a kinky blowout texture, 20 inches. It is 210 grams before styling. That's the volume. The hair density is 130%, and this is a lace front wig, so it's a 13x6. And I have a medium cap. They have pre-bleached knots, Swiss transparent lace, 100% virgin hair, and it has an adjustable elastic band, as I showed you guys. So I let this wig set overnight so I wouldn't have any, you know, damp spots in the hair. And all I'm doing is I'm just going ahead and taking down all of the FLEXI rods. So the curls are going to be very pretty, but I wanted a more lived in kind of look. And in a second, you guys will see me go back to my curl wand curler. So I'm going to be going in between FLEXI rods and the curl wand with this wig. Okay, so I just took a hot comb and put it on the roots just so I wouldn't have like too much volume and bulk at the top because this is a very thick wig. Keep that in mind before, you know, purchasing this wig or getting this length and density and everything. It's very, very full. So I used some anti-frizz serum from Garnier Fructis to separate my curls. And then I did go back to my curl wand to have some more relaxed curls because the FLEXI rod curls are pretty, but they are very, very tight. And I wanted something a little bit more relaxed than that. And the great thing about this wig is I was wearing this completely glueless. I didn't glue down. I didn't use any adhesives with this wig. And that's a great thing about it because it's still laid really, really flat and I had no adhesives on it. So I just pulled out a little bit of my edges because this texture is very similar to my natural hair texture, which is a type 4 hair texture. So I'm just going to be raking the curls out and fluffing the wig to make it to my liking. And it is very, very beautiful. I had no issues with like tangling and excess shedding because I feel like HerGivenHair is top tier as far as quality goes. They are more expensive, but you get what you pay for, especially with HerGivenHair. And I did add a little bit of layers in the front to kind of frame my face. And this is a look that we have. I think it looks very, very beautiful, guys. If you are interested in any of the wigs on HerGivenHair's website, this is the time to go for it because I'm sure they're going to have some holiday deals for you guys. So if you want to save some coins, definitely check the description box as well as their Instagram page to see if they're having any holiday deals going on because this is the time to save some money. So I did do a sunlight test for you guys because I do that with all of my lace front wigs and stuff. So it's glueless and this is what it looks like outside, y'all. No filter. This is the real deal. And I think this is a great option. You don't have to put any curls in if you don't want to. I just felt like that was giving very much holiday and it looks so beautiful. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring another video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.